Do you want to know how to make a homemade Sriracha Mayo that's ready in under 5 minutes? This spicy sauce recipe can be served as a dip with fries, a sauce for sushi, and you'll only need 4 ingredients. Hey there, I'm London Brazil from evolvingtable.com, where you'll learn how to make nourishing meals for you and your loved ones. And today we're going to be making this spicy Sriracha Mayo. It's creamy, it's spicy, it's even a little bit sweet, and I am telling y'all, you are going to want to put it on everything. So if you're ready to get to cooking, then come on in and let's get started. As I'm sure you've already guessed, the 2 main ingredients in this recipe are Sriracha sauce and mayonnaise. Sriracha sauce is the ingredient that gives this sauce a spicy kick and a lot of flavor. It normally has a bit of sugar added to it, so you'll also get a subtle sweetness in the dip too. This is probably the most popular brand and can be found in almost all grocery stores. Yellowbird's Blue Agave Sriracha sauce is my personal favorite since it's made with more wholesome ingredients. If you've never purchased Sriracha sauce, you can normally find it on either the condiment aisle or on the Asian or ethnic food aisle at your grocery store. But Sriracha sauce isn't the only hot sauce that you can use. In fact, there are quite a few others that will work equally as well and might even be a little easier to find. Frank's Red Hot and Tabasco sauce are also great substitutions. They do not normally have any added sugar and tend to be on the spicier side. Because of this variation in spice level, you'll want to add them in smaller increments and taste after each addition, so you don't end up making your sauce way too spicy. And now for the mayonnaise. Regular mayonnaise such as Duke's or Hellmann's is the best tasting for this recipe. However, if you're on a paleo diet, you can always use an avocado oil-based mayonnaise. And if you're vegan, a plant-based mayonnaise may also be used. Back when we lived in San Antonio, we went to this restaurant called The Cove almost weekly. And y'all, I'll be honest with you here. I mainly wanted to go so I could get a big basket of their sweet potato fries with a side of Sriracha Mayo. I recently recreated those sweet potato fries, and you can find those in the video right up here. So of course, the Sriracha Mayo was next in line. Now that you've got your hot sauce of choice and the mayonnaise you'd like to use, it's time to get to mixing. And seriously, go ahead and set your timer because it's going to take less than 5 minutes to make. You'll want to grab a medium-sized bowl and either a spoon or a whisk. Add half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of Sriracha sauce. 1 tablespoon will give you a heat level of about 3 to 4 out of 10. And 1.5 tablespoons will give you roughly a 5 out of 10 on the spicy scale. Add 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 1 small clove of crushed garlic. If you don't have a garlic press, you can always choose to mince the garlic instead. But do know you'll likely end up with larger chunks of garlic throughout the sauce. Whisk all of the ingredients together until well combined. Serve Sriracha Mayo immediately or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. But chances are it's probably not gonna last very long, especially if it's served with these sweet potato fries or these baked potato wedges. Thanks so much for hanging out, y'all. I'll see you again soon.